We are in one of Straumann's production center in the village of Courgemont, and it's in fact where the screw retain abutment is produced, and we wanted to show you how this actually happens. Nicolas, could you tell us about this production plant?
Yes, sure. Straumann needed to expand production capacities, and we started production here 3 years ago. We are situated in beautiful village of Courgemont.
But why Courgemont?
We are in this region because of the existing precision manufacturing know-how. There are a lot of watch manufacturing in this region since centuries.
What is so special about this place?
This place is special because it's where we produce the screw retain abutment. I will show you how it's made. So before we can produce on the machine, we need tools. Here is a place when we prepare tools for the best cutting performance on the machine. Okay, so this is the machine where we produce the screw retain abutment.
So this is where the magic happens.
Yes. First, we need to load raw material inside. This is the titanium rods, 3 meter longs, and we can load up to 15 rods inside. And after, the system will push automatically the rods to the machine for the cutting and milling. So here, the machine performs the turning and milling. You can see a lot of oil everywhere. These steps generate a lot of heat, and the oil helps to keep the temperature down.
Nicolas, what are the next steps?
So next, after machining, each abutment goes through the visual inspection. And additionally, every hour we take one part to control all dimension, and we do this step on another machine.
Well, this is all very fascinating technology, Nicolas. Thank you very much for showing the production steps of the screw retain abutment.
You are very welcome, Christian.